Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So here we are discussing the question different string. So the problem states that you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters. Rearrange the characters of S to form a new string R that is not equal to S or report that it's impossible. So first we take the input, that is the number of test cases, and the only line of each test case contains a string S of length at most 10 consisting of lowercase English letters. So for each test case, if no such string R exists as described in the demand, output no without quotes, otherwise output yes without quotes. Then output one line the string R consisting of letters of string S. You can output yes or no in any case. For example, all the yes can be recognized as a positive response. If multiple answers are possible, you can output any one of them. So let's get started. The problem says that you need to find a new string R which is not equal to S, which means if any one character of S is different from its original one, then we can form R. So what we need to check is the index at which S of 0 is not equal to S of I. Here S of I states the character at index I and S of 0 states the first character. So in case of code forces, the first character is C. Now we start from 1 to the length of the string and compare. So we compare O with C. O is not equal to C. So we will break the loop here and just swap O and C. This will form a new string R which is not equal to S. So hence we output yes and we output the string. Now in case of all the A's, you can't swap any of them as all are equal to the first character. So we print no in this case. In the next case, here you can just swap y with x and that will be done. In this case, you can swap O with C. In case of D, the answer would be no. Like this, you can just check and swap, and then you can print yes if it is yes and print the answer, which means we will just swap the first character with the character which is not equal to it. So in code forces, you will swap C with O. In this, you will swap this X with Y. In this, we will swap O and C. In this, you can directly swap U and N. So like this, you keep going. In this, W with M. In this, you can't swap and you output no. So this is the solution to the problem. So I hope you understood the solution. So I hope you understand the solution. Thanks for watching.